Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add sub-users to your account so that way if you expand and want to add someone else to your account to monitor things, you can do that. So first what you need to do is log into Dropified, and from the main dashboard under the menu on the left, go to Business and Sub-Users. So now this is really easy. You just add the user you want. So I'm going to do sample at sampletown.com, and I'm going to press OK. As you can see, the invitation has been sent, and you can see all the invitations you have right here. So all this user needs to do is go into their email and look for the email from Dropified that allows them to click a link and set up their account. That way you can share the account with them and they can have access to all the different things that you allow them to. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.